Hello students, welcome to online class. How are you all? I hope you are all safe and healthy. Okay students, last class we discussed the topic. What is the topic? Very good students, we finished the unit first. Okay, now today we are going to very interesting topic. Today unit 2 now we started. Okay students, now we are going to the topic is 3-digit addition. Do you know 3-digit? Okay, students, please see the board. Students, what is this number? What is this number, students? 453. Okay, students. So, 3 is the ones. Okay, 5 is on tens. Okay, students. So, 4 is on 100. Okay, so this is a 3-digit number. Okay, 453 is a 3-digit number. Students, you know addition? Okay, students, please see the slide. Today, we are going to the topic is 3-digit addition. Okay. Next slide. Learning outcomes. Add 3-digit numbers with and without regrouping. Okay, students. Add 3-digit numbers with and without regrouping. Okay, students. Okay, students. Students, please see the slide carefully. What is this? You know the fruit? You know the fruit name? What is this fruit? Very good. Apple. How many apples are there? Students, you count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many apples? 5 apples. Okay, students. How many apples? 5 apples. Okay, students. Now we are going to 3-digit addition. Okay, students, please listen carefully. Students, please see. What is this? What is this? Very good. Hibiscus flower. Okay. How many flowers are there? How many flowers? You count this. 1, 2 and 3. How many flowers? Very good. 3 flowers. Okay, students. Once again count. 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, students. We count 3 flowers. Okay. Now going to next flower. Next counting. What is this color? Yellow color. Okay. How many flowers? 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now using addition property. Okay, students. This also 3 flowers. Okay, students. Okay, students. What is this? What is this? Students. This is a cow. Very good. So, students, please see carefully. Okay. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. How many cows are there? There are 3 cows. Okay. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, students. Now, we are going to 3-digit addition. Okay, students. Students, please see carefully. Please see the board. So, now using place value kit. Okay, so this is your ones. So using one block. Okay, and this one is tens. Using 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is your tens. Okay, students. And then next one is hundreds. Okay, what is this next? Next one is 100. How many blocks are there? There are 100 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there are 10 rows and 10 columns. Okay, students. Now using on place value kit. Okay, students. Shall I move to next slide? Okay, students, please listen carefully. Students, please see the slide. So, first one is 1 ones. Okay, first one is 1 ones. So, second one 1 tens equal to 10 ones. 1 tens equal to 10 ones. So third one, 1 hundreds equal to 10 tens. 1 hundreds equal to 10 tens. So fourth one, 1000 equal to 10 hundreds. 1000 equal to 10 hundreds. Okay students, this is a place value kit. Okay students, using this property in 3-digit addition. Okay, so once again repeat. So 1 ones, 1 tens equal to 100 10 ones. So third one, 1 hundreds equal to 10 tens. So fourth one, 1000 equal to 10 hundreds. Okay students. Okay. Okay students, now go to next slide. So you know the symbol. What is the symbol? This is a addition symbol. Okay, this is one addition symbol. Addition means adding, counting. Okay, so it is used to we are going to one shop, so buy anything and bought anything, it's used to addition. Okay students, it is useful to counting numbers. Okay, so this is a addition symbol. Do you like this symbol? Okay students. So next one, what is this? These are tomatoes. Okay, these are tomatoes. So first one, how many tomatoes are there? Tomatoes, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So plus 1 tomato. So adding 1. So students, please listen carefully. Students, so 4. 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 4 after, 4 plus 1, 5. So we get the answer 5. So how many tomatoes? 5. Very good. So move to next slide. So students, what is this? Students, you tell. What is this? Very good. Birds. You like birds? Okay. First one bird. Okay. First one is only one bird. What is this color? Very good. Blue color. You like this color? Okay, students. So next one, 2 birds are there. Okay. So blue and green color. Okay. Blue and green color bird. Okay. So now the question is adding. So how many birds are there? How many birds? Students, you count the birds. 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Okay. So 1 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 1 after, 2, 3. Okay, how many birds are there? There are 3 birds. There are 3 birds. Okay, students? Okay, now going to next slide. Okay, what is the slide? So the questions are blocks. So, okay, using some blocks. So first one is ones. Second one is tens. So third one is 100. Okay, students? So listen carefully. Okay. Okay, students, listen. Please see the board. Okay. So, first one is now we are using pictorial method and abstract method. Okay. Pictorial method and abstract method. So, pictorial method, so used to some place value kit. Okay. So, how many blocks are there? First one is ones, tens, 100. And these also ones, tens, 100. Okay, students. So, see the first picture. So, how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, first one is 5. Okay, students. So, how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So 5. Okay students. So and then see this picture. So how many tens are there? So first one, 2. So tens 2. Okay students. So tens 2. So how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3. Okay students. So next one, 100 place. So how many hundreds are there? 1, 2. Only 2. 1 and 1. Now we go to adding. Okay students. Now Now we go to adding using pictorial method and abstract method. Okay, students. So the first one, 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, students. So second one, also 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now we go to adding. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, students. So 5 plus 5, 10. Okay. 5 plus 5, 10. Okay. So 0. So 1. So adding 10 over the next place. So adding 1, 10. Second place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So take over the one is next. Okay, students. Do you understand? So first one is 5 ones and 5 ones. So adding 10. Okay, students. So write in a 1, 0. So 1 is you take over the next place. Okay, students. So now we count to tens place value. Okay, students. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So adding 1. Okay, students. Please listen carefully. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we get the answer 6. This one is take over value. Okay, students. Okay. So next step, how many hundreds? So 1 and 1. 1 plus 1. Students, 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 2. Very good. So get the answer 2. Students, do you understand this sum? So first listen carefully. So the question, so this is a picture sum. Okay, so using pictorial method. So first you count the blocks. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So second one also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 5, 10. Okay, so 0 is the ones place and 10 and 1 is the tens place. Okay, so you write in the ones place value 0. Okay, so next 10 place value 1 is take over the next place, tens place. Okay, so this 1 is take over the value. Okay, students. So and this counting this place. Okay, students. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. Okay, so next step hundreds. So how many hundreds? 2, 1 and 1. So we get the answer 260. Okay, students, 260. Do you understand this sum? I think. Do you understand? Okay, students, do you understand this sum? Okay, students, please see the next slide. Okay, what is the slide? So, what is the question? 134 plus 152. 134 plus 152. Okay. So, adding 3 digits. Okay, students, addition. Okay. So, using some place value kit and pictorial method. So, 1, 2, 3. So, there are 3 digits. Ones, tens, hundreds. So, this place 3. Okay, students, this one is ones place, tens and hundred. Okay, students. So, our first number you write this value 134. 134. Okay, students. So, students, please see the board carefully. 134. So, what is the ones place value? Students, what is the ones place value? 4. Very good. So you draw 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, students. So what is the tens place value? Very good, students. 3. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Do you understand? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, students. So there are 3 tens. Okay. So next one, how many hundreds? 100. So this one is a 100 case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So rows also tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Okay, students, this one is the ones value, hundreds value. Okay, what is the second number? 152. Okay, so what is the ones value? 2. 2, 5, 1. Okay, students, so first you draw two blocks. 1, 2. Okay, students, so second number 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So you stick 10 box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, students. Okay, do you understand? So next 100 value 1. Okay, so draw 100 dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So rows and columns equal to 10. Okay, so say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so now go to counting. Okay, so 4 blocks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So adding now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6. Okay, students. So we get the answer as 6. So second one, 3 plus 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so next answer is 8. Okay, so what is the 100 values? So 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. What is the answer? 2. Very good. So now we get the answer 286. Okay, students, what is the question? So 134 plus 152. Okay, so we get the answer 286. Okay, students, do you understand this sum? Okay. Okay, students, please see the board. So B sum 210 plus 133. So 210 plus 133. Okay, using place value tape. Okay, so how many words are there? Very good. 0. Okay, you draw no blocks. Okay, so 0. How many tens? Only 1 tens. So 1. So you draw 10 blocks. Okay, students. So the third one 100. How many hundreds are there? 2. Okay, so you draw 200 blocks. Okay, students. Do you understand? So 2. Okay, 210. Okay, so second one 133. So what is the one place value? 3. Am I right? Very good. 3. So you draw 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3. Okay, what is the tens place value? Very good. 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, students. So what is the 100 place value? Very good. 1. Okay. Now we go to add these numbers. Okay. So 0, 3 and tens place value 1 and 3. Okay, students. So 100 place value 2 and 1. Okay. Shall we start? Okay, students. 0 plus 3. 0 in the mind, 3 in the finger, 0 after starting with 1. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the answer is 3. Okay, students. So next one, what is the tens place value? So 1 and 3. Okay. So 1 in the mind, 3 in the finger, 1 after, 2, 3 and 4. So we get the answer 4. Okay, students. So third one, 100 place value. So 2 and 1. So 2 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 2 after, 3. Okay. So we get the answer 343. Okay, students. The question is 210 plus 133. Okay. 210 plus 133. So now we get the answer 343. What is the answer? 343. Okay, students. Do you understand this sum? Okay. Shall I move to next slide? So, next one is number pairs to 1000. Number pairs to 1000. Okay. Students, please see the slide. So, the next topic is number pairs to 1000. Okay. Number pairs to 1000. Students, please take your maths worksheet. Okay. Take the page number 41. Okay, students. So first one, add to first number to take it to the next nearest 10. So add to the first number to take into the next nearest 10. So it's the first step. So second step, add to the sum in the step to take to the next nearest 100. So first one, add to next nearest 10, and then second step, add to next nearest 100. So third one, add to the sum in step 2, take to 1000. Okay. So next step, take to 1000. So next nearest 1000. So find the total all numbers in column 3. So that is the missing number. Okay, students. So first sum, 514 plus dash equal to 1000. Okay, students, this is very interesting sum. So see carefully. Okay, so find first nearest 10. Okay, students, first nearest value. So which value we are adding? So nearest place in 10. The round of the place value in 10. So 540. So which number adding to nearest? So nearest 10. Okay. So add to the first number to take it the next number, next nearest 10. So which number? So now is a 14. So what is the answer? Very good. 6. Okay. So 514 plus 6. Okay, students. So 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4, 10. Very good. 0. Balance 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, students. So 5. So nearest 10 value is 520. So round up the value 520. So you take this value 520 plus adding. So next step, what is the next step? Add to the sum in step 2. Take to the next nearest 100. Next nearest 100. See this two value 20. So which number you are adding to next nearest 100? Students, very good. So 80. Am I right? Very good. So adding 520 plus 80. Okay, students. So 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 8, 10. 0. Balance 1. Okay, students. So 1 plus 5, 6. So what is the answer? 600. Okay, students. So next step, third step. So you take this number 600 plus dash equal to dash. So the next step, add to the sum in step to be to take 1000. So nearest 1000. So 600. So now which number you adding? Yes, 1000. Students, tell the answer. Very good. So 600 plus 400. Okay, students. So now we get the answer 1000. Okay. Okay, students. So 480 plus 6. Now we adding these numbers. So adding 400. What is the next number? 80 plus what is the one's value? So next number value 6. Okay. 400. Students, you work out in a rough out sheet. Okay. So 480 plus 6. Okay, now we add it. Okay, 6 and 0 plus 8, 8 and 4. So we get the answer 486. Okay, so this is the answer. So now find the answer is 486. Okay, students, do you understand this sum? Okay, first 540 plus dash equal to 1000. Okay, using some 3 steps. First step. So students, please listen carefully. First step, add to the first number to take it to the next nearest 10. It's the first step. Okay, so next nearest 10. Add to the first step to next nearest 10. So 514 is the nearest 10 values of 520. So next number you take this answer 520. So what is the second step? Add to the sum in a step 2. Take the next nearest 100. Next nearest 100. So 520. So which number we add to next nearest 100? Very good. This number is 520. So adding 80. So we get the answer 600. Okay, students. So you take this answer. So 600. So what is the next step? Add to the sum in step B to take to 1000. Okay. So 600. Which number you adding? You get the answer is 1000. Students. Very good. So 400. So 600 plus 400. We get the answer 1000. So adding this kinds of value 680 plus 400. So adding this number, the answer is 486. Okay, students. Now we get the answer 486. Okay, students. Do you understand this sum? Okay, students. Please take the page number 41. Students, you take worksheet. You take the worksheet paper, page number 41. Okay, students, A and B, C. This is the homework for you. Okay, work out in your worksheet paper. Okay, students. Okay, students. Thank you. Thank you all. Have a nice day.